Are you bored of using the same old tired emojis that everyone uses? And you wish you could spice up your communication with a little more fun and a lot more personality? Well, that's exactly what you can do with Apple stickers. Want to know how to use them? Stick around, I got you covered. I'm Dylan Stewart, the Mac Whisperer, and in this video we're going to talk all about Apple stickers, how to use them, where to find them, and how to create them. Stick around for my MacWhisperer Power Tip where I teach you a brand new way to use stickers that I'll bet you never thought of before. Let's hop on over to Messages and get started. So what are stickers exactly? Well, stickers are a fun and easy way to use emojis, Memojis, Genmojis, or even your own photos to spice up conversations in Messages and beyond. When you're inside Messages, you'll find your stickers gallery by clicking on the plus button right here and choosing where it says stickers. In this section, you'll find tons of different kinds of stickers. We're going to tug up on this bar to give us a full screen view of our sticker gallery. As we look across the top, on the top left side, we'll see our recent stickers. These are stickers we've used frequently or recently. To the right of that, we'll find our customized sticker collection. We'll come back to this in just a few minutes. Coming one more tool over to the right, we'll find our emoji stickers. And every emoji in the emoji toolbar is available right here. Stickers are fun because while you can tap on them in order to add them into a conversation, you can also press and hold on them and use two fingers to make them bigger or smaller, or to rotate them, allowing you to place a sticker anywhere inside of a conversation, adding a little bit of fun and a little bit of personality. Let's swipe this bar back up into the full screen mode. And coming one more tool over to the right, you'll find your Memojis stickers. Memojis are fun avatars that you can create and customize, giving yourself all sorts of fun characters that you can use. Every single Memoji that you create has a fun set of stickers, including all sorts of gestures and poses like the peekaboo, or the wave, or the phone call, or heart hands, and more. Coming up to your top bar here, you can choose between any of the Memojis that you've created in order to give that Memoji its own sticker set. But in addition to all of those tools, you can also add sticker packs from the App Store, and you'll find all sorts of fun stickers there like fun little kitty cats, or Jack Skellington stickers, or Stitch stickers, and so much more. There's a ton of pre-configured stickers that you can find all over your phone, allowing you to even customize things with little costumes, or masks, or all sorts of tools. Remember, there's two different ways that you can use stickers. You can use them by just tapping on them and sending them in the conversation chain like this. But the way stickers were intended to be used was pressing and holding on them, bringing them up into the conversation chain, and positioning them on top of a message or on top of a photograph, adding just a little more flair and fun. If you'd like to find these sticker packs and more, on your top sticker bar, swipe all the way to the right where it says Edit. Clicking on the Edit button will give you the ability to move or turn off any of the existing sticker packs that you've got. And at the bottom, you've got the ability to jump right into the App Store to purchase or download all sorts of other stickers. Some of them cost a few bucks, and some of them are free, but if you explore around, you're going to find all sorts of fun ways to express yourself. But that's not the only way that you can use stickers. You see, stickers were intended to be used with your own photographs. Let me show you what I mean. Let's swipe out of Messages and jump right into Photos here. Here I've got a bunch of cool pictures that would make absolutely perfect stickers. It's easy to do by coming into the photograph and lightly pressing and holding on the subject of the photo. When you do that, you'll notice a little shine across the image that lets you know it's seen the subject and it's grabbed them. You can now click up at the top where it says Add Sticker. This will take that image and drop it inside of your sticker gallery right here. When you first add a sticker, you can also add all kinds of fun effects to it. For example, clicking on the Add Effect button will allow me to use the original sticker, or a sticker with a white outline around it that helps it to stand out, or a sticker that takes that photo and cartoonizes it, or make it puffy. And when you have the puffy sticker or the shiny sticker, as you move your phone, you'll notice the shine and the glitter kind of moves with it, just like it would on a real sticker. Once you've fully customized your sticker and are happy with it, click the Done button in the upper right-hand corner, and it will live in your stickers gallery where you can use it on any conversation chain you like by simply pressing and holding on it and bringing it into the conversation, or tapping on it and sending it as a simple emoji like this. And there's even another really cool function that you can use with photos inside of stickers. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's come back over to our Photos library. And here I've got a live photo. Live photos are a lot of fun because instead of just being a still shot, it's got a couple of seconds of video that brings some motion into it. If you press and hold on a live photo, it'll reveal the video, bringing some motion into your photograph. But you can take that live photo and add it into your stickers library. Press and hold on the subject, click where it says Add Sticker, and then click on the Add Effects section. Here you'll see that you can turn on or off your live photo. Want it to be still? Just turn the live section off. But if you like that motion, turn the live functionality on. And you can use that live sticker in your communications just like this. Come on into your sticker section here, and press and hold onto that live photo. Make it as large as you want and position it right onto a conversation, and you'll bring some motion, energy, and personality right into that text message conversation. But the fun doesn't stop there if you've got Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is available on the iPhone 15 Pro and later running iOS 18. If you have Apple Intelligence, come into your text message chain and click on your emoji button in the lower left-hand corner. Emojis are great, and we all love emojis, but there's tons of emojis that are missing. With Apple Intelligence, you can create your own emojis easily. For example, if I wanted to make car keys, you'll notice there's not a really good car key option. We've got a lock and key, a door key, and I guess an ancient key. None of that's going to start my car. So why don't we create our own car key emoji? It's easy to do. First, we're going to clear out our search right here by pressing the X button, and we're going to type in whatever we want to create an emoji of. In this case, car key. If you click on the emoji button to the right or the create new emoji button underneath, it will automatically take that description and create an image that's perfect for what you're looking for. Here's a car key right here, but let's see if we've got something better. Swiping over, there's a car key in the ignition and lots of other options that we can use. I'm pretty happy with this first one, so let's use it. Once you've created a Genmoji, you need to save it. The first step is to press and hold on the Genmoji itself and choose where it says Add Caption. This will give you the ability to title your emoji so you can find it easily when you're searching through your other emojis. Once you've created the caption, the next thing to do is to press and hold on it and click where it says Save to Stickers. That will add our brand new Genmoji directly into our stickers gallery. But you don't have to stop with inanimate objects. Genmoji is very powerful, and you can use it to create emojis of people that are in your photos library. It's easy to do by coming down into your emoji bar and simply describing a person that's in your photo library like this. I'm going to type in Brian on a bike. And when I'm ready, let's click the Create New Emoji button so it can begin to make the emoji. You'll notice on the left side here that Brian is underlined. It knows it's a person, but it's not sure which person. Tapping on the underline will allow me to pick from any of the Brians in my photo library. In this case, I'm going to take my brother-in-law, Brian Hunot. And it immediately starts creating emojis using Brian's likeness. And as I swipe through them, I can find the perfect one to use in all of my communications with my brother-in-law. Then a simple press and hold, add a caption, make sure you've got the right information in the caption. Remember, you can't edit a caption after creating a Genmoji. So don't skip this step because it's going to make it so much easier for you to find this emoji in the future. Then click the Done button in the upper right-hand corner. And now I can press and hold and add the Brian on a bike emoji directly into my stickers. Now the next time I'm in a conversation with my brother-in-law, I can spice up our conversation by clicking on the emoji bar in the lower left-hand corner and clicking on the stickers icon to the far left. Here we'll see the brand new Brian bike emoji, and I can press and hold and enlarge it to ride right across that conversation just like that. So as you can see, stickers are amazingly powerful and super fun to create and use. But wait until I show you what I've got in store for my MacWhisperer Power Tip, because that is going to blow your mind. But if you've already gotten great value from this video, give it a thumbs up. That just makes it so much easier for other people to find it. And if you've got questions, comments, or you want to share with me how you're using stickers, drop it down in the comments section. I love to hear from you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click this subscribe sticker right here and the notify bell so that you're always alerted whenever I drop new content. Now you've waited long enough, it's time for the Power Tip. We've learned a ton about stickers today. We've learned about emojis, Memojis, Genmojis, and even how to create stickers from your own photo library, including live photos. And right about now, you're probably saying, yeah, Dylan, the sticker functionality is cool and all, but can I use it anywhere outside of iMessage? And the answer is yes. In fact, you can use stickers on any app that supports markup functionality. Let me give you a few examples of how to use it. Let's start off inside of Photos here. I've got this great picture of my dad and my son, but unfortunately, a few of our family members weren't able to get into this picture. But fortunately, I've got a sticker of them. Let's click the Edit button down here, and the Markup tool at the top right here. Then in the bottom right-hand corner, let's click our plus button and click where it says Add Sticker. It'll open up your sticker gallery, allowing you to pick any one of the stickers you've created. And as I scroll down in my gallery down here, I've got the two other boys that I'd like in this picture. I can press and hold and bring them into the photo. By using two fingers, I can enlarge the sticker until it's about the same size as everybody else, just like that. Then you might need to click the X button in the upper right-hand corner to clear your stickers gallery. Now you've got this sticker positioned right on the photo, and using the little balls you can enlarge it or adjust it so it's just perfect. Now let's go ahead, click Done, click Crop, and edit this just a little bit so it looks like we're all standing next to each other, just like that. And presto changeo, everyone's in the picture. You can even use stickers inside of Notes. Let me show you how to do it. Let's click on Notes. Let's click on the Markup button down at the bottom here. And let's click the plus button and add stickers. Now I can pick any sticker that I want. Press and hold on it, drag it right into the image. Using my two fingers, I can resize it and put it right where I want. Now I've got this fun sticker attached to my notes. But that's not the only place that you can use it. In fact, anywhere that you see this markup icon, you can add it. That includes emails, that includes PDFs, and all sorts of other things. But my favorite way to use stickers is with a screenshot. Simply take a screenshot and tap on the image in the lower left-hand corner. It will automatically open up your markup tools, allowing you to click that plus button, go right into adding the sticker, and drag and position it anywhere you want on that screenshot to add more fun, more personality, and your special touch to any photograph, any note, or any communication that you're in. Pretty amazing, right? So that's what I've got for today's video, all about how to use Apple stickers. I hope you learned something new, but remember, there's always more to learn. Check out this video right here for even more powerful tips about how to use your Apple devices more efficiently and more effectively. I'm Dylan Stewart, the Mac Whisperer, and I'll see you in the comments.